The Vee Trades technical analysis course is now live. Learn to read the chart the right way to prevent costly mistakes. Click the link below to start training now. What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I'll be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Meta platforms with the ticker symbol META. If you want a chart analysis guaranteed to be done, please read the description below. Also, take a second to give the video a like and subscribe for more chart analysis. I appreciate it very much. This video is for entertainment purposes only. It does not constitute any financial advice. I will first go over what I see in the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. So I'm back from my leave of absence. And here is Meta platforms because it is Meta Tuesday. So let's take a look at the daily chart. Looks like prices hit the 197, almost the $200 level, just a few weeks ago, back here on February 2nd. And now we have sold off about from the highs to currently 12.61%. So is this going to be just a pullback for price to continue higher, or are we going to see lower prices? Well, I'm leaning towards the latter because of a bunch of things on the chart. So the first one is this massive gap right here. Not all gaps get filled in the market, but if the price is going in the direction of the gap, there's a good chance it will get filled because it's a potential target. And to fill in this gap, we have to reach the 153 level. Another reason why we can get to the low 150s is this strong support. So this is right around the 155 level. In the past, this was a very strong support level. We tested it 4 to 5 times and prices broke it, and then we traded down much lower. Then prices stopped right underneath it, and then the earnings report was released and prices gapped right above it. So they were probably not able to push through it during a normal trading session. So they gapped it up after the market closed, or the pre-market. Gapped it up and they kept it here, but now it looks like prices are weak. We didn't really get any follow through after a big move up with no follow through. This is just a climactic point, meaning they just gave it their all and they got no more ammo left. So it looks like there's going to be falling down now. So there is this downtrend working too for the bears, and it's really targeting the low to mid 150s. So that's what I'm looking at currently. I think a lot of people forgot that the downtrend is the macro structure. So this is the downtrend right here, and you can see that this big move up was just a pullback in the grand scheme of things. So this could be a top right here, and we can go back all the way down to lows. I'm still in the camp that we could, but as right now, I'm very confident, or there's a high likelihood that we can at least reach the 150s again. So that's what I'm looking for right now. If we break it and continue much lower, then you guys know where my next target is. It's going to be the 80s. So that's everything I have on the daily chart. Here is the weekly chart for Meta platforms. Weekly chart shows the same thing what I'm talking about on the daily chart. You can see how this EMA prices like to be near it. Even if we go far away from it, we snap back pretty quickly. So we are very far away from the EMA, so it looks like prices are coming back to it. And the EMA on the weekly chart is right around the mid 140s to the high 140s. So most likely when the price continues to print on this chart, the EMA is going to get closer, and that will probably bring it to that 150, 155 level in the near term. So that's another reason why prices can continue lower to come back to the EMA on the weekly chart. If I connect the swings, it looks like prices just hit the resistance zone on this channel. So we came off the lows, prices like to go to the highs, and this is acting as resistance, and looks like prices are due to sell off very shortly. So I believe that's all I have for Meta platforms on the daily and weekly chart. Looking kind of weak. You can see how we had a big green candle right into the resistance, no follow through. So it looks like they're going to take this green candle back very shortly. So that would bring it back to the low 150. So that's what I'm eyeing as a potential target. I think Meta platforms is still looking kind of bearish, at least in the short term. So that's all I have for Meta platforms on the daily and weekly chart. I'll give you guys an update next week, Tuesday. Another thing I like to mention is that the SPY also looks kind of topped out, so we'll have to wait and see how that develops. and that will definitely have a big influence on every other stock in the market. So that's all I have for this week. Thank you for stopping by and checking out my video. Make sure to check out the rest of the channel, since you might be surprised at what you can learn. Leave a comment down below on where you think prices are headed. Also share the video if you want your friends to learn about the markets. Lastly, I appreciate any feedback to help improve the channel, since I want to deliver great content to you guys. See you next time, and bye.